So how can you access the Apple Watch summary on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So most likely you are referring to the health and tracking of that kind of thing on the Apple Watch as you wear it on your wrist throughout the day. You then want to check it out inside of the iPhone, and for that you need to check out the fitness application. It's called like that, and it's the icon with the three colorful rings, and you can get inside and all of the data is going to be available here for the whole day. So you'll be able to see the calories burned, the minutes of exercise, the steps, distance walked, flights climbed, and all of these statistics that go into it. If you had any specific workout sessions, you'll be able to find it in here. So for example, it might be like an outdoor walk or a run or whatever happened. You'll be able to click on it and basically browse the data regarding this. But this whole page is the summary, right? So you have it in the top left corner. It literally says summary. So all of the things are going to be tracked in here. Keep in mind that you can, of course, go back in time and even check out the calendar view and, see all of the different dates and the activity summary for not just today, but also past days and everything like that. Also, there is a different place to look at all this, and that is the health app, where it gets a little bit more I wouldn't say intense, but it's much deeper inside of the health app. When you go to the search and go to the activity, you will have the ability see the physical effort and the steps and all of these graphs and trends and the see the fitness and all of the different things, which are a deeper way to look at all of your tracking. So yeah, if you want to check it out, go to the health app, but for the basic summary, the fitness app is going to get the job done. So let me know if we managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos, explanations like this one, and I'll see you later.